Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the phone's privacy features so hiding apps is secure. Go to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then open Private Safe or App Lock. This protects hidden items with a PIN or pattern. Once done, set a reliable PIN and add a backup method like fingerprint or security questions. This prevents lockouts. Make sure to accept any permission prompts. Those allow the system to manage app visibility and prevent other apps from altering the hidden state. Next, you hide the specific app through App Manager or Home Screen Edit to remove it from view. From Settings Apps App Manager, pick the app, tap Hide or Disable. Alternatively, long press the icon on the home screen and choose Remove or Hide. Once you confirm, the app disappears from launchers but remains installed. Make sure to test by scrolling all home screens and using the system search. If it still appears, repeat the hide step or use Private Safe to move its data. Finally, access the hidden app through Private Safe or the Hidden Apps list whenever you need it. You open Private Safe with your PIN, find the app and launch or restore it. This keeps functionality while keeping icons hidden. If the app still shows in search or widgets, make sure to clear the launcher cache or restart the device to apply changes. If hiding fails, recheck permissions and disable conflicting third-party launchers. Those often override system, hide settings, and cause visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.